going to show you how to create boards, lists and cards in Trello. So let's jump into it. We're going to create a new board. As you can see, we're on the main page of Trello right now and we're clicking Create New Board. So now we can select the background we want. I like this one. I'm going to give my board a title and I call it Explainia Board. And we want to have it visible in our workspace. So we can add members and all the members can see what is happening in this board. So we click on Workspace and we click on Create. And basically this is our board created. And now we're going over to create a list. So we enter a list title. I call it Explainia List. And we're going to add the list. And that is our list created. We can add more lists, as you can see. So we click on Explainia List 2, for example. And you can do this over and over. And now we can also create a card within the list. And I call this Explainia Card. And that is basically how you can create a list, a card and a board on Trello. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing for more videos, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye-bye.